Hello, my name is Eder Torres, and welcome to our social media community, where we will learn from each other and feel connected as we discuss the topic of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will go into detail about how we will all become connected learners, while establishing a supportive community in the workplace. Let's start off by defining what a connected learner is. As per Beach and Hall, a connected learner is one that connects globally to self-direct their knowledge, maximize his or her understanding, and stays current with knowledge about learning. I cannot emphasize enough on the importance of being a connected learner in the workplace. This will help improve morale at work and will also develop a positive atmosphere while working towards one's goals. Throughout this learning community, everyone will collaborate and share ideas on how artificial intelligence can be used in the workplace. This can range anywhere from improving current business processes to cutting time in half when performing certain tasks and anything else in between. The primary technology tool that will be used for developing our connected learning community is Flipboard. Flipboard will be used to curate articles to share amongst the learning community. Everybody will be able to read and get more of an understanding about the impacts that artificial intelligence can have. To foster a culture of collaboration, the connected learner will use Flipboard as a social media tool to curate articles based on artificial intelligence. The learner will then build relationships online with other learners by sharing those articles amongst each other and collaborate on what they think about the articles and share ideas on how artificial intelligence can be applied in the workplace. This will allow the community to strengthen relationships while gaining knowledge from each other, share knowledge amongst each other, and potentially come up with activities on how artificial intelligence can be beneficial to the community. As mentioned on the Business Insider website, Flipboard is a news reader and digital magazine tool that relies on your interests to curate the day's biggest headlines. Flipboard is also described as a social network tool where users can connect and discuss similar interests. Amongst those interests can be sports, entertainment, politics, and lots more. Users can create account and share interesting finds via their contacts or simply save them into their personal magazine that can be viewed publicly by others. This tool makes it simple for the community to use as it notifies you as the latest headlines regarding your topic of interests, which allows you to stay up to date with the latest and greatest about your selected interests. To begin building a connected learning community, learners will be asked to create an account using Flipboard. Once they have signed up, the community of connected learners will need to share and collaborate weekly regarding their findings about artificial intelligence. They are to search for news articles that the learner feels are interesting and can be applied to the workplace. Learners will meet with the colleagues to discuss their findings and share why they chose a certain article. Learners will be encouraged to be consistently active throughout the project so that they can empower each other and brainstorm ways that artificial intelligence can be beneficial in the workplace based on the readings. To maintain the interest of the social members, learners will be asked to present their top ideas to implement in the workplace, while the other members will provide feedback regarding pros, cons, and challenges that might be faced if the idea were to be implemented today. This will provide an opportunity for discussion amongst everyone and could potentially lead to a major upturn in the workplace. Turning the learning community into the connected people will happen naturally when collaboration amongst each other. I believe that once everyone feels comfortable enough to share their thoughts, knowledge, ideas, and their strengths they can bring to the table, they will feel more connected by nature. Adapting to these changes of being more connected can impose challenges to some individuals, but once they see the support from others, they will feel more at ease. Ensuring sustainability of my learning community can impose some challenges, both present and in the future. Some steps that I believe need to occur for this community to be sustainable is to always be sure there is consistent communication amongst the members. I feel that by having open communication 100% of the time with the members will facilitate any decision when challenges arise. Another step or measure that must happen as well is to keep the community engaged and allow for each member to bring out their creativity within them. I believe this will allow for each member to feel valued and in turn can be beneficial to the organization. To conclude, there will be many challenges that will arise from creating a learning community, some of which we will be able to overcome and others that we will never overcome. Some barriers that I foresee happening within the learning community are engagement, productivity will start to diminish, and incorporating everyone's ideas into the workplace. As an organization, I believe we can overcome having everyone being engaged within the community and everyone being more productive. But one challenge that I feel that will remain is that they will not be able to implement everyone's ideas into the organization. Although some of these barriers may seem minor, it is important to overcome as many obstacles as we can so we can have successful community of connected learners.